Okay, today lunch with my aunties. Lunch with my aunties at ano ko na lang, Yellowfin Torres Street. Yellowfin Torres Street. Hindi, ano ko na lang. So at Yellowfin Torres Street. Hello! Baka mas stiff neck ka. Hello! Ikot na lang ako. Wait.
Waiting for Joe.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm so excited to eat. Hi!
Hindi pwede sa bahay.
Hi, Tita Josie! Welcome to Yellowfin. Welcome to Yellowfin.
Hi, Gia. Kamusta? Hello pala.
Bye-bye.
How are you? Bye.
You wanna stay here? You wanna stay here? I'll stay here na lang. Wala pa.
Ay, Barbara. Maaga ka.
Oh. Wala man ako activity.
Ano, parking mo, hindi diretso. Saan ka nagpuno dyan? Saan ako sa tabi natin?
Nasaan doon ka sa tabi ko?
Hindi na. Akala ko may motor ka.
Seafood platter.
Seafood platter. Gusto mo mag-order ka ng fish. The last time we had seafood platter, nung birthday ko,
Last edition na.
3 years ago.
Ito gusto mo, mas picturean?
Mami ni Marisa, yung mga complication na.
Yellowfin, hollow.
So ano pang pwede niya?
Sila divided by me solo. Okay. Landers. I should have taken them.
Ikaw, dayo mo ah.
Hindi, kasi wag daw kunan ng likod eh.
Sa'yo mo daw dito ng forest.
Maganda yung coffee shop dito. This is the coffee shop. Landers Coffee Shop. Cappuccino. Yoo-hoo!
Yes, picture natin.
Yoo-hoo!
I love it. I love it.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!